Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Keychron K2 wireless custom keyboard with the stunning aluminum wood special edition. This is a 75% Hall effect keyboard featuring Gateron double rail magnetic switches with adjustable actuation, rapid trigger, and QMK customization. If you want cutting-edge gaming performance with beautiful mid-century modern styling, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It has a 75% layout with 84 keys, saving desk space while keeping function row and arrow keys. The Hall effect switches are Gateron double rail magnetic linear switches with 40G actuation force and smooth factory lubrication. Adjustable actuation lets you set each key from 0.2 mm to 3.8 mm in 0.1 mm increments. Rapid trigger resets keys instantly on release for lightning-fast repeated inputs. Last key prioritization, snap tap, gives competitive advantage in FPS games. Dynamic keystrokes allows up to 4 actions per key based on press depth. Connectivity offers tri-mode with 2.4 GHz wireless at 1000 Hz polling rate, Bluetooth 5.2 for up to 3 devices, and USB-C wired. Battery is 4000 mAh, lasting weeks depending on RGB use. The special edition features genuine rosewood side panels with aluminum frame and gradient black finish. Keycaps are OSA profile double-shot PBT non-shine-through with Mac and Windows legends included. The keyboard has multiple layers of sound-dampening foam for a satisfying deep Thocky typing sound. Dimensions are 320.5 by 126.7 by 40.7 mm, weighing 965 g. Programmable via Keychron launcher web software with onboard profile storage. Note it is only compatible with Gateron double rail magnetic switches. 3 adjustable typing angles and RGB backlighting with 22 modes. The combination of Hall effect technology with beautiful wood accents makes this keyboard truly unique. The typing experience is smooth and consistent with excellent stabilizers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.